In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Webflow. Start by signing in to your Webflow account and opening your list of sites. Head into your dashboard, then open the project you want to work on. Choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Once the designer loads, switch into design mode so you can work on structure and settings. On the left side of the designer, open the Pages panel. You'll see your static pages listed, including the home page. This is a good reference point for where your new page will live. In the Pages panel, look for the option to create a new page and click it to open the Page Settings form. Give your page a clear, descriptive name. This is what you'll see in the Pages list. Next, set the slug, the part of the URL that comes after your domain. Keep it lowercase, use hyphens instead of spaces, and keep it short and meaningful. A clean slug helps with readability and SEO. Open the Access Control section. Here, you can decide who should be able to view the page. If you're working on something private or in progress, choose the option that restricts access to anyone with the password. If the page should be available to everyone, switch it to public. You can change this at any time as your needs evolve. Now open SEO settings. Add an open graph title and an open graph description. These help your page look great when shared on social platforms. Then choose an open graph image. Click Select Image to open your asset library and pick a properly sized, on-brand visual. If you're not ready to commit to an image yet, you can simply cancel and return to this later. Scroll to the Search Settings area. You'll see a note explaining that the information here shows in your site's search results. After you change these details later, remember you'll need to republish and then start a reindex in your site's search settings to reflect updates. Add a concise search description that summarizes the page and a search title that matches what people are likely to look for. If your page requires custom code, open the Custom Code section. This is where you can add page-specific snippets that run only on this page, keeping your global codebase clean. When everything looks good, click Create. Your new page is added to the Pages panel and ready for you to design with sections, elements, and content. That's it. You've successfully created a new page in Webflow, complete with access, SEO, and search.